Sources say Congress has worked out a backdoor entry for Jagdish Chaitla. The leader who faces charges in the 1984 riots has been included in a special category of invitees of the Congress Manifesto Committee for Delhi polls. Nandita is on the phone line with us. Nandita, there was a meeting that was attended by Jagdish Chaitla which included Rahul Gandhi few weeks ago. Now it seems he's definitely going to have an active role to play for the Delhi polls.
That is right. At that point, the Congress had gone to town denying the story, saying that no official committee has been made and there was no release to say that they've been included. Of course, at that point, they were only informally told to work for the Delhi Assembly elections. But today, what the Congress has done is they've released, basically made 5 committees, and out of that, the Manifesto Committee says that it has a special category called of special invitees, which will include all the ministers that have ever served at the centre when the Congress was in power, who have been MPs from Delhi. Now, that clearly includes Jagdish Chaitla, who was a minister as recently as UPA 1. He was the overseas minister in UPA 1. So, since the Congress has not clarified whether this means only UPA 2 ministers, this would naturally include Jagdish Chaitla as well.
What would be the rationale behind the special category of invitees, like you pointed out, Nandita, which includes all ex-ministers from Delhi? What seems to be the role that Jagdish Chaitla could be playing in the coming months then?
Well, one thing is clear, that the Congress realizes that both these names, Jagdish Chaitla and Sajjan Kumar, are going to attract attention and controversy if their names per se are going to be put in. So in that sense, the Congress has made that effort of not including their names literally in any of the committees, but at the same time, given the fact that they cannot do away with the political work that both these leaders do in Delhi, the Congress clearly at this point faces a tough election and wants to have all their old war horses in place, and therefore through a special category, Chaitla, who served.
Right, we seem to have lost that line with Nandita, but she was making a very valid point of how some of these older leaders who do have certain strengths in place when it comes to election campaigning will be bought. But we are talking about a 1984 riot accused here who's been charged and investigated, and Congress really ensuring that he is part of the entire Delhi poll plan. The last time when there was a meeting that was held, was an informal meeting that was held that Rahul Gandhi was present in and was attended by Jagdish Chaitla. We were told by Congress that no specific committee has been set up. Today we are looking at a Congress Manifesto Committee, and which has a special category of invitees and Jagdish Chaitla's name on it.